Right, so it's just a really, well, quickish video, just on the first impressions of the DJI Osmo Pocket. Just a new thing, another thing I bought in lockdown, like everybody, buying crap. But yeah, I'm really impressed with it so far. It's something different. No, I've obviously got video, capability already with GoPros and stuff, but I like this. This is good. So it's just a quick, like not so much a review. I've never reviewed anything, so it's just my impression of it so far. So I do like it. Yeah, it's just to my first impression of it. So don't hate me for it. Or like, I always get a dislike anyway. Who cares? Just press it twice, dickheads. But yeah, people just seem to like to dislike things. And while we're on that, YouTube, why do you have the dislike button? No, everything nowadays is about promoting mental health. Why do you have the dislike button? You either like it or you don't, so you press like or you leave it. What is the point of the dislike button on? The amount of people I've seen that have got upset and whatever else and this lot by, I know you can't, you can disable comments, but some people like them on there. But why dislike? I mean, there's one guy that I follow, Chris Homer. His videos are absolutely fantastic, and he's got one called Snowed In, and it's got 30,000 I think at the moment likes. It's fantastic, but it's got 600 dislikes. What the hell? So anybody, when you get a couple of dislikes, I always get them. Don't let it bother you, please. It's just armchair warriors wanting to click. Oh, go on, have a click, dislike that. I can't do anything, so I'll dislike it just to put you off. Whatever, monkeys. Can I say that anymore? No, I can't say that. Whatever. Anyway, enjoy. Peace. Hi everyone, I'm just doing a short vid with the DJI Osmo Pocket. So I'm just checking both track and follow, so let's see what's going on. Yeah, that's quite good. So yeah, I went out on the Reeking with it the other day. I'm impressed with it so far. I've got it on like the wireless connector at the moment, so I can use it all through my phone. So like if you can see that on my phone, I can set it up on there, move it around, do whatever. But yeah, it's real. I mean, there's nothing to it. It's really good. So I'm excited to go out with it, to be honest. I'll just see if that's on right. I've got on, to show you this. So that's without. I've got the wide angle, freewheel wide angle lens. I mean, look at it, it's minute. I'll just pop that on. It's like magnetic. Does that look right? Yeah. So it just gives that little bit of extra wide angle. So, because what I have found with it when I'm using it is, when you're holding it, you've kind of got it here, That's the arm's length, and without a wind angle, you can like get like a shot like that in between your head. So I do think that helps a little bit, and you can have it here, and capture more of your face. But I've also got, let's have a look, on the expansion kit, you also get this, which is a bracket, a GoPro bracket. So like normally what I do when I'm going out on my walk, I have my GoPros attached to my walking sticks, my trekking poles. So I could actually put this on there if I can figure out how to open it. There you go. That's it. So that'll clamp around it. This will be where your buttons are. So you see buttons. Clamp it together. Then that will attach onto the walking stick. So yeah, with the expansion kit, you kind of get this. I can't show you at the moment, but you've got like a wheel which is really useful. You've got 2 buttons and a wheel on the front. One of the buttons changes the position, so forward, looking at you or away from you. So that's really good, rather than having to, if you're vlogging and you don't want to be going on the touch screen up and down, you just press that button, it turns straight on to you, or turn it again, looking at the landscape. And the other one's for the tilt locks and the FPV modes and this lot. So the 2 most useful ones that you want to use when you're out and about, you get the expansion kit, you slide that on, and that's it. The other one, I wonder if I can do it through here and show you. I'll show you after, I'll video after. You've got like a wheel where you can adjust the up and down. So like when you're doing shots and such, you can adjust the up and down and the left to right, but I'm not sure if I'll use that much, to be honest, but it's worth it just for the 2 buttons. But it's, for what I think it was, I got it for 60 quid, the expansion kit. For that and the wireless connector on their own, to me, for what I use it for, that's worth it. So it's, see, I've got the DJI Mavic Mini and I'm super impressed with that. I know the Mavic Mini 2's come out, but I have absolutely no interest at the moment in getting the Mini 2, because I'm really happy with the Mini, the first one. All my drone footage on any of my videos is all with the Mavic Mini, and for such a tiny item, 259 grams, and how much small it packs down to and everything, it's fantastic. And this is exactly the same. This is the Osmo Pocket that I'm filming this with, obviously. It weighs nothing. I'm not sure what it weighs, to be honest. Probably best if I weigh it to tell people. But what it's also got, it's like the microphone capability with the GoPro, especially on the one I've got, the 5 Black. You have to get the adapter, which you have to do on this, but this is tiny compared to that. If a big adapter, then you get like, most people get like a Rode microphone and plug that in, and then they get a case into it and it's got it all on this. Where, I mean, you have to get adapters with this, but that's the adapter. And considering how big the GoPro one is, that is the adapter for the DJI. So basically you plug that into the bottom of it, standard microphone. One thing you've got to be wary of, and I forgot the name, it's TRS, whatever the, if you've got one that's got the 3 points, if you see like the 3 black marks, 3 rings, you need an adapter. You need it to be going in like this with the 2. And I'm not sure if it's which one's the TRS or whatever, but that's what you need to be looking for. The 2 rings into this. Then that plugs into your Osmo Pocket. Then any standard microphone plugs into that. And it works a treat. So all I've done then, I've got a standard thing and I've put like one of the wind muffs on there. And I went out on the weekend, it was quite windy. I'll have to do another one where I compare the both, but it was clear as a bell. When I came back and checked it, it was absolutely clear as a bell. So that's your like full microphone kit, just keep it in a tiny little bag. Impressed with that, it's good. All folds into nothing. I mean, I used to do a lot of photography. I used to do weddings and everything like this. And my kit was I had Nikon. And then I dropped down into the Fuji. Because it was smaller. But even though with the Fuji and the lenses, bloody hell, I mean, there was some weight there. And considering I can get all, that's the full microphone, that's your wireless connector, I can get everything basically into this little, box. Everything, GoPro, Osmo Pocket, all accessories, the expansion kit, case, everything into that. So basically for what I do, it's brilliant. It's good. I mean, it's something new. The GoPros are fantastic. I mean, I've got the GoPro 360 Fusion. That's a bit hit and miss with people. My wife absolutely hates it. Says it makes her feel sick. So, but it's good where with the Fusion 60, where you can put it on a stand, you can put it on the floor, you can just walk past it, whatever. And then when you get home, you can put it into the GoPro app, and you can basically do whatever you want. Make 10, 50, 100 shots, different shots with it. So the creativity side of it, it's really good. The GoPros are just fantastic. I mean, it's been underwater, dropped on the floor. When I fell down on top of it, and they're bulletproof. So, but this is just another addition, which creativity wise, I'm really enjoying using it. And obviously we're still in lockdown. Can't wait to get out with it. I've took a couple of photographs with it because on the screen it looks rubbish, and I was super impressed. It's at the top of the Reeking for such a you don't have to mess about with your phone out. You've got this out already, and the photography, it's really good. I can't knock it. I mean, I bought this second hand for £147, and then obviously spent on the expansion kit. But I've got kind of everything now that I need with it. I don't need any more. I've got a microphone if it's really windy. I mean, if anybody saw the Brecon Beacons penny fan one that I did, it was basically ruined at the beginning. I kept it in there. Don't know why. Should have probably taken it out, but because I think it puts a lot of people off straight away. But at the beginning, you couldn't even hear me, and the wind was so bad. But I kind of hoping with stuff like this, as anything, the more you do it, hopefully, the better you become. And just also a massive thank you that I've gone over 100 subscribers. 121, I think I'm on at the moment. So yeah, that's great. Love it. And just there's a few people, a couple of people on Facebook groups who are local to where I am, who are interested in meeting up and doing a wild camp. So that's fantastic. So I mean, I'm so looking forward to that. Even on the Shropshire Hills, doing the local hills, it'd just be great, and just be fantastic to get out. And it looks like there's light at the end of the tunnel. So fingers crossed. Everybody, I mean, stays in. We're still seeing the idiots going out at the moment, but no, just please hang on. It's not long. We'll be there soon. And I want to get out, but I want us to go out at the right time. I want us to all be able to never be in lockdown ever again. Let's do it properly, and then just get out and just follow the rules and and then go forward. That's it. I mean, I've had COVID. If you saw my last video, I've had it. My wife's had it. It's not nice, and I can understand why people know how it affects them. It's not nice. It's really not nice. And I'm thankful that my wife and myself are both through it. My daughter's had it, and we're all through it. So just really thanks for that. Just life's precious. But yeah, so just a quick intro, just a quick video, just looking at the Osmo Pocket. Some people were asking them what the video quality was and so forth. So I hope I know it's indoor, I'm in the conservatory, it's not particularly great, but I hope it answers a few people's questions. But yeah, so everybody stay in. We'll be out soon. Come on, we'll be out soon. It won't be long. So thank you, everybody. Everybody have a great. Well, it's the weekend, so everybody have a nice weekend. It probably won't be the weekend we're watching it, but yeah. And I'll see you soon. Hopefully, next one will be on the outside on the top of a big hill. Cheers. See you guys. So this is the wireless adapter. It just sits underneath, plugs in. Then you have the Mimo app. straight onto your phone. So a bit of flexibility. You have to plug them into each other. With your phone into the Osmo Pocket, you just plug this straight into the Osmo Pocket, and it connects instantly to your phone, which is really good. Next part of this batch kit is this. This is like I don't know how good the focusing is, but you've got these two buttons here. One's for the reverse, like camera direction, and onto it or away. This is for your FPV and the tilt locks and so forth. So that's good. So they're the two, and then this one, the wheel, you can move up and down, and then you've got a left and right section, up and down. So you just move. So if you want to move up and down, then you click this across, and then you go left to the right. I don't know how much the wheel, I don't know how much I'd use that, but these two buttons really useful, especially when you're outside. You just want to flick it onto yourself, flick it away from yourself, and then want to change if it tracks you or it doesn't track you. So no, those two buttons, it's really good. Then here you go. This is your GoPro mount. So for me, again, that's really useful. I've got adapters on my walking sticks, but I already put my GoPros and Fusion, and using this, yeah, that'll be really useful if I want to use the Osmo Pocket. So, and like obviously like the Gorilla Pod and stuff like that I've already got set up for GoPro, just got the adapter. That's it. Also, so yeah, really useful piece of kit.